Hi everyone! Happy Monday! Good morning sa inyo. Kamusta kayo? Namiss ko kayo. Lately, hindi ako nakapag-upload kasi meron lang pong nangyari. Okay. Sa family po or relatives ko na kailangan ng attention ko po. Okay. So, pasensya na po kayo kung wala akong upload this past days. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang araw nang hindi ako nakapag-upload pero ngayong araw meron tayong pick a card reading na gagawin. So, yung continuation po natin about sa specific topic to a all signs po. So, wait nyo na lamang po yung update, okay? Update natin for that topic. So, po pwedeng bukas po mag-upload ako ng continuation. So, nauna na tayong gumawa ng water sign. So, next is earth sign. Okay? So, abangan nyo po yun later or bukas. Okay? So, ngayon, for now, gagawa tayo ng pick a card reading. So, tingnan natin kung sino yung gustong makausap ka. Who wants to talk to you. Okay? So, pwedeng it can be a family, okay, a friend, a colleague, or kahit na sino. Okay? So, titingnan natin. Pero first, kuha muna tayo ng gagamitin nating um, crystals. Okay. Dito sa aking lagayan ng crystals. Pasensya na po kayo, late na akong nakakuha. Okay. Ng crystals na gagamitin. Okay. So, 2 pile meron tayo. So, this is file number 1 and this is file number 2. So, ang gagawin niyo lang, mag-live shuffle po ako. Titingnan natin kung sino yung person na yon, bakit kanya gustong makausap. Tingnan natin bakit this person wants to talk to you. Okay, so this is file number 1, this is file number 2. So, pili na kayo ng file na sa tingin ninyo mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay, then mag-live shuffle tayo. Okay. File number 1, file number 2. Hindi na kayo, guys. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo, guys, ng file na sa tingin ninyo is mag-resonate sa inyo, let's go with file number 1. So, tabi lang muna natin itong isang stone. So, file number 1, who wants to talk to you? Okay, kung ito yung napili mong stone, tingnan natin. Sino ba yung gustong makausap ka? This is a talk, not a message. Okay, this is a call. Okay, or this is a personal conversation. Basta gusto ko makausap. Pero usually, true call. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Para sa mga pumili ng file number 1, okay, thank you. Who wants to talk to you? Okay. Medyo marami-rami na. Okay, so, uy, 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords. 6 of Wands. 10 of Coins. 10 of Pentacles. So, dalawang 10 na, okay? Knight of Coins. Earth sign. 8 of Cups. So, tingnan na, iyan natin doon sa makikita. 10 of Swords and 10 of Coins. 8 of Cups. Knight of Coins. So, marami dito ang Earth sign. 3 of Coins. Okay, Earth sign niya. Okay. For some of you, number one, who wants to talk to you or who wants to call you? Maybe this person is someone na nagbigay sa'yo ng pain, okay? Or po pwedeng this person is nasaktan ka, okay? This person cost you a 10 of swords, okay? Yung pain na hindi lang basta-basta yung intensity. This is a 10 of swords, guys. So, kumbaga, sobra kang pwedeng this person, vice versa guys ha, this person can cause you pain or this person is yung nasaktan mo. Okay. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. With the Six of Wands, okay, maybe this person is someone who is very popular, or it can be you is the one who is popular. Okay. This someone is in pwedeng kilala. It can be kilala siya, popular siya, someone who has a recognition. Okay. Or someone na achiever or may na-achieve na, may narating na sa life. Okay. With the 10 of coins or 10 of pentacles. Okay. Oh, it can be this is a family member. Pwedeng, pan number one, this is a family member of yours na nakasakit sa'yo or nasaktan mo, vice versa. Okay, or it can be someone who is wealthy or financial stable. Okay. O pwedeng may kaya tong person na to, or sabihin natin may narating siya. This person is someone na kilala and may narating sa buhay. It can be this is a family member. It can be some iba sa inyo, it can be this is a kapatid. Meron ako nakitang kapatid. Okay. With the Eight of Cups, maybe this person is someone who walks away, okay, sa'yo or nilayuan mo. This person is, ito yung nilayuan mo. Okay. Or this person is feeling hurt, okay. Kasi feeling nga, inabandon na mo siya. It can be ha, with this, meron ako nakikita dito na with the Knight of Coins and Six of Wands, it can be this person is younger. Okay, a Knight of Pentacles. Okay, this is a younger earth sign. It can be younger Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Meron akong nakikita. Okay. Pwedeng this person is kakagraduate lang. Okay, meron akong nakita dito na if this is a brother or a sister, a younger brother or a younger sister who is kaka-graduate lang. Okay? Ng college or anything. Okay? This person, if this is a family member, 10 of coins with the 3 of coins is someone who collaborated, pwede na-collaborate mo to sa trabaho or you have the same goals or nakatuwang mo to. Okay. Meron ako talaga nakikita dito na it can be some of you, pan number one, is a sister or a brother or merong iiba, can be a colleague. Okay. Pero this is a family. Meron ako nakikita na this is a family member. Na vice versa yun guys ha, nasaktan mo or sinaktan ka. Okay. Meron din akong nakita na this person is pwedeng na-disappoint ka. Disappoint ka nitong person na to. Uh-huh. meron 'tong ginawa or meron akong nakikita, for some of you, this person can be pinagkatiwalaan mo financially, okay? Pinagkatiwalaan mo siya financially pero binitray ka niya or meron siyang ginawa na nag-cause sa'yo ng disappointment, okay? Nag-cause sa'yo ng Ten of Swords, okay? Yes. This is irresponsible kind of a person, a younger person, okay, mas bata sa'yo. Pero meron 'tong ginawa or meron kang ginawa, okay, dito sa person na 'to. So, titingnan pa natin. Okay. So, give me more cards for pen number 1. Seven of Cups. Hmm. Maybe, um, meron akong nakikita dito na po pwedeng baka umalis to sa inyo or no communication kayo, hindi na kayo nag-uusap nito. It can be, ha? Maybe this person is thinking about you or you think about this person. Iniisip mo to or iniisip ka nito. Okay. Or else, this person, this is a Seven of Cups, okay? This is Ten of Swords, Eight of Cups, and Seven of Cups, okay? So, meron akong nakikita dito na someone is weighing options, okay? Or thinking about possibilities, okay? Thank you. Uy, Nine of Cups. Pero tumalsik siya na in reverse. Oh, okay. Someone here is overthinks about what if. Okay. Kasi meron ako nakita dito na if this is not a sister or a family, it can be this person is na-collaborate mo. O pwede may pamilya ka dito sa person na to, meron kayong binild, okay, na foundation, okay. It can be this is a partner din, not a sister or ano, not a family member of yours na talagang bloodline. Kung this is a partner, someone here is wishing, okay, or thinking, what if na hindi ka sinaktan nitong person na to, na-align pa rin kayo. What if hindi nag-walk away yung isa sa inyo or hindi bumitaw yung isa sa inyo? I don't know. Okay, meron ako nakikita dito na what if. This is a wishful thinking, guys. Someone here is thinking what if, okay, na alam mo yon, ano kaya mangyayari? Um, po pwedeng iniisip ito, ano kayang nangyari kung hindi bumitaw yung isa, o hindi na-walk away yung isa, or hindi kasi sinaktan ng isa, parang ganon. So, it's either this person is yung nag-iisip or you, okay, na pumili ng number 1. Okay. Uy, Five of Coins. Hmm. Five of Coins in reverse. Or Five of Pentacles in reverse. More dito is Earth sign. If this is a partner or in a love section, if this person is iniwan ka, okay, nag-walk away sa'yo, sinaktan ka, okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na maybe kung sino man yung iniwan dito is improving kung ano man yung mga bagay na hindi niya ginawa maybe before, or kung niloko ka nito financially or anything, maraming bagay po pwedeng recovering ka na. Okay, kung ikaw yung iniwan nito. Kung sino man yung iniwan dito, having a positive changes na. Okay? Maybe weighing options right now. Someone here is generous. Bottom of the deck is 6 of coins. Someone here is generous. Okay, mapagbigay. Okay. Mapagbigay, hindi madamot, okay. Charitable, okay, mabait. Okay. So, kung ikaw ang niloko nito, sorry na lang sa kanya kasi pinakawalan niya ang isang person na, alam mo yon, yung, kasi meron ako nakikita dito na same goals kayo nito eh. Sana, okay, collaboration. So, focus kayo siguro, ha, nitong person na to. And it can be, siguro, meron siyang ginawa na reason kaya kayo hindi nagkaunawaan or o pwedeng nasaktan kaya kanya nasaktan. Okay. This person feels, meron ako nakikita dito guys kung sino man yung sinaktan dito with the 10 of swords and 7 of cups with the 8 of cups, kung sino man yung sinaktan dito, okay, meron akong nakita na na-disappoint ka kasi nitong person na to. Okay. Kaya ang ginawa mo siguro po pwedeng ikaw yung nag-walk away. Okay, so take what's resonate. Sinaktan ka nito eh. Ikaw yung nag-walk away dito sa person na to. Okay. And kung sino man tong person na to is high achiever sana siya. Or po pwedeng popular nga, okay. It can be a fire sign. Okay. It can be younger sa'yo. Okay, younger sa'yo, tapos kaka-graduate lang or fresh graduate or anything. Basta some kind of a popularity meron siya. This person is a knight pa lang. So, meron akong nakita dito, kung sino man yung iniwan dito, it can be more stable than this person or this guy. This is a knight of coins, okay, earth sign. Mas bata, younger. Pero meron akong nakita, this is a responsible, consistent, and hardworking kind of a person. This person feel na parang nagiging negative na siya. Na siguro this person is nanghihinayang na, okay, sa pwedeng separation ninyo, okay, nanghihinayang to sa nangyari, okay, na maybe having a regrets, okay, na bakit niya ginawa yon, sana hindi niya ginawa, okay. This is a family member or meron kang pamilya dito, okay. Or it can be, this is a literally a brother, okay. So, sa financial, meron ako nakikita na kahit paano nag-i-improve naman na, okay. Or vice versa to guys lang. If ikaw ang nag-walk away dito sa person na to, okay, and pwedeng mas younger sa'yo to, this person is nasaktan, okay, it can be. So, guys, take what's resonate na lang, okay. So, tingnan pa natin. earth sign, fire sign, and water sign. Okay. So, shuffle lang natin. Tingnan natin. Gamit tayo ng What's the Tea. Tingnan pa natin kung sino ba tong person na to na gusto kang makausap. It can be file number 1. Ikaw ang gustong kumausap dito sa person na to, or this person wants to talk to you. Okay, so vice versa yun, guys. Ano ko nakita? Nasaktan ka nitong person na to eh. Or sinaktan mo siya, nag-walk out. Basta may someone here is nag-walk away. Lumayo. So, tingnan natin. Oops. Uy. Thief card. Loss nga. Okay. Rob, loss, theft, physical or emotional. Meron ditong nag-walk away biglaan. Oh my gosh. Kissing ass. If, kung ano saktan dito yung feminine, o pwedeng niloko nung younger, okay, tapos nag-walk away yung feminine dito, someone here is maybe will do anything, okay, para makausap ulit yung person na umalis. Okay, it can be if you are the one who is walk away in this connection. O pwedeng this person will nag-strategize or nag-iisip how to talk to you. Kasi this person wants to talk to you. Siguro yung iba sa inyo gustong bigyan ka ng bulaklak, gusto kang suyuin ulit. Okay? Kasi, pero nakikita ko kasi this is a younger person. Okay? Mas younger sa'yo. Younger sa feminine. Okay? Okay. Thief. Sorry guys, inisipon ako ah. Oh. Uninterested. Di ba? Walking away ulit. Uninterested. Maybe this is a clarification that the feminine here is the one who is walk away or umalis. Okay? Gusto kong suyuin. Uy. Uy. For some of you, faith flexing, this person acts rich. Okay? Maybe this is a young person who is excuse me. Acts rich. Okay? Fake flexing. Okay? Meron ako nakikita na if you are much mature dito sa person na to, meron ako nakikita na it can be siguro ginamit ka lang nito sa money. Okay, merong ginawa to eh, na nasaktan ka. Ha? Merong ginawa to na nasaktan ka. File number 1. Kung sino man yung feminine natin dito. Meron siyang ginawa na hindi okay. Okay, kaya ka nasaktan po. Pwedeng ayun, ginastos yung pera mo. Okay. Fake travel. Maybe this person wants to travel papunta sa'yo. Okay? Or, ikaw nga is lumayo and po pwedeng nag-abroad. It can be. Uy. Legal issues. Court, judges, immigration, lawyers, etc. Kung niloko ka nito financially, meron ako nakikita Tingnan nyo guys Kung niloko ka nito financially, theft, okay, stole your money, okay, rob, ginamit ka niya financially. Kasi this is younger than you, okay, po pwedeng meron kayong business or pinagkatiwalaan mo siya financially and it can be ginastos niya yun with the fake flexing money. Okay, this person acts rich kahit hindi naman sa kanya yung pera. Kasi nga, this is a popular kind of person. So, mayabang. Okay? O pwedeng this person is mayabang. Oo. Oo. And Nine of Cups kanina in reverse is feeling niya is hindi na matutupad yung pangarap niya kasi nga mas stable dito yung feminine, yun ang nararamdaman ko. Okay? O pwedeng this person will do anything. Okay. It can be kissing ass. This is a kissing ass card. Susuyuin ka nito kung magkakaroon siya ng pagkakataon to win you back. Okay? Pwedeng mag-travel to papunta sa'yo or lumayo ka talaga sa kanya. Okay? This person is sinusuyo ka kaso nga lang if meron akong nakita feminine here is uninterested na, ayaw na, okay, for some of you, and you want to pursue a legal action with this person. Kasi nga po pwedeng this person is nagsusorry sa'yo, na nakikipagbati sa'yo. Kasi nga, siguro, if nag-stole to ng money sa'yo, a huge amount of money with the Ten of Pentacles kanina. Okay, kung sa nakikita ninyo. Okay. Po pwedeng bawiin mo yun sa kanya and gagamit ka ng legal action. Okay. Sinusuyo ka nito, this person will kiss your ass. Okay. Kasi nga, para hindi siya makulong or hindi niya mapapanagutan yung ginawa niya. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Kuha tayo ng last deck. Teka lang guys, sasisingan ako kasi nagkasipon ako eh. Okay. Kuha tayo ng higher self card. Ano yung advice sa ating viewers sa pumili ng pile number 1? Advice lang higher self mo sa inyo. Guys, ginagamit ko yung deck na tumatawag ng pansin ko ha. Higher self card for my pile number 1. Give me 3 cards for advice. Evaluation. Feed out what doesn't serve you. Reevaluate the situation. So, examine the situation. For some of you na pumili ng pile number 1 na gustong patawarin tong person na to, pwedeng i-re-evaluate mo yung situation. And tingnan mo kung nagsasabi ba talaga to ng totoo, kung gusto mo tong patawarin, kung sincere ba talaga siya, or pwedeng nagsasorry lang to sa'yo kasi para hindi niya mapanagutan yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Na nag-cause sa'yo ng 10 of Swords kanina. Okay. So, last 2 cards. Recognition, admiration for your hard work is coming. Uy. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, whether career or anything or business, kung halimbawang niloko ka man ito financially pero you still bumangon ka pa rin, okay? Still, tinuloy nyo pa rin o tinuloy mo pa rin kung ano yung plan mo, okay? Or po pwedeng this person recognize, okay, kung ano yung ginawa mo for him, okay? Or for her, it can be vice versa. Divine timing. Everything is a higher purpose. Okay? So, lahat doon nangyayari is merong higher purpose. So, it can be siguro yung separation ninyo, nitong person na to, is talagang meant to be na mangyari kasi para makita mo kung pagkakatiwalaan mo ba tong person na to. So, siguro, yung iba sa inyo na sinisisi yung sarili nila, wag mong sisihin kasi talagang nakalaan nyo na mangyari kasi para hindi pa tumagal na ma-drain ka niya financially. Okay? So, may higher purpose yung nangyari. Okay? With bottom of the deck is resolving issues. Okay? Solving inner conflict with others, healing past trauma. Okay? So, for some of you, ang advice sa inyo ng higher self ninyo is heal past trauma and resolve maybe issues or conflicts sa ibang tao kahit na hindi mo naman kausapin or kung sa iba sa inyo na open kayo makipag-usap, malayan yung gawin kung ano yung sa tingin ninyo is tama. Pero siguro, re-evaluate the situation, okay? Para hindi na maulit. Okay, so file number 1, this is your reading. So I hope nag-resonate sa inyo. Kung nag-resonate sa inyo at hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Okay, like this video, comment down below if meron kayong mga requested topic pa. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kung sumisinga ako in the background kasi sinisipon ako. Okay, pagpasensya na rin kung hindi ako nakapag-upload, okay, nung mga nakaraang araw kasi talagang meron lang nangyari, okay, na hindi inaasahan. Okay, so file number 1, maraming salamat. I will go to file number 2 na, okay, para simulan na yung reading niya. Okay, so file number 1, bye! Okay, sa mga pumili naman ng file number 2, if you choose this stone, okay, so this is your reading. Who wants to talk to you? Okay. Tingnan natin. Sino ba yung person na gusto kang kausapin? Okay. So, ito pwedeng call. Okay. This person wants to talk to you. Wants to call you. Okay. So, sino to? Titingnan natin. Pasensya nyo na kung maririnig ninyo sumisinga ako. Okay. So, pen number 2. Give me cards for 5 of coins. Someone who is earth sign to eh. Someone who is in a financial crisis right now. 3 of swords. Pain. King of coins. It can be an earth sign. Or you could be an earth sign. King. Okay. A masculine. Okay. Ten of cups. Yung karamihan sa inyo nakikita ko, maybe ikaw ang masculine ha. Guys. And this person, pwedeng, this is your wife. Okay, file number 2. Someone who caused you 3 of swords, heartache, trauma, and sorrow. Okay, this person is struggling right now. 8 of swords. Eight of swords in reverse. Earth sign again, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Can be a Capricorn. Pwedeng ikaw ang Capricorn. Temperance. For some of you, meron ako nakita dito na pwedeng this if you are the king of coins, a very stable, grounded, okay, kind of a person, a businessman, a boss, okay, earth sign, maraming pera. This person gives you heartache, three of swords, okay. Po pwedeng, with the eight of swords, this person is nirelease mo, nilet go mo, okay. Or, it can be, you release ito ha, meron akong nakikitang senaryo. Yung masculine natin dito is stable. Okay, may pera, may business, or a boss, okay. While the other person is not so totally stable. Okay, this person, it can be, nung nakilala mo to is may financial hardship siya. So, hindi siya stable financially. And pa pwedeng tinulungan ka nito. Okay? Tinulungan ka nito, may family kayo nito, Ten of Cups, okay? Um, siguro po pwedeng this is your wife or a love partner, okay? Um, Four of Swords, okay? Bottom of the deck, this is someone who is po pwedeng nag-overthink right now. Okay. Nag-overthink right now. Kasi this is someone who is nirelease mo. Nirelease mo sa life mo. Nilet go mo tong person na to. Po pwedeng niloko ka nito. Okay, pinirahan ka nito. Meron ako nakita dito, it can be someone here is hindi sinuportahan. Hindi sinuportahan. May family kayo nito, may responsibility ka dito. Hindi sinuportahan financially. Seven of Swords. Oh, with the Three of Swords and Seven of Swords, heartache, trauma, sorrow, meron akong nakikita dito na someone is niloko. Okay? Nag-cheat yung isa. Okay? Three of Coins. Oh, 'di ba? Po pwedeng this is a colleague, okay? Or po pwedeng nakasama mo 'to sa trabaho tas naging partner mo, nagkakilala kayo sa trabaho or someone na naka-collaborate mo nga, asawa mo, it can be, okay? Kaso niloko ka nito. So, pwedeng nilagay ka sa third party. Mm. Niloko. Someone here is nagloko. Kung sino man yung nagloko dito ha, na nirelease mo ha, this person is struggling financially right now. Oo. Ano to? Gumagawa to ng mga any racket. Kasi siguro po pwedeng if you are the king of coins, you are stable. In-stop mo yung support dito sa person na to. Hindi mo sinuportahan na. May family kayong na-build nitong person na to. One card, last card, 4. May pile number 2. This person is, akala niya siguro hindi mo malalaman kung ano yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Na niloloko mo siya. O pwedeng mas bata to sa'yo tapos mas older yung lalaki. Okay. Uy! Queen of Cups. It can be, the masculine here is earth sign while the female is a water sign. Hmm. It can be merong hanang new person right now. And this is a past person. Okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na queen and king na. So, po pwedeng may new person na yung isa dito. Okay. Much, siguro much more is yung king of pentacles. With the page of cups, um, ito yung dating minahal mo. Nagkapamilya ka dito. Okay? Dito sa person na to. This is a past person, guys. Okay? Or po pwedeng you are a person stable before, tapos so nakilala mo tong person na to, um, binitray ka nito, naging dishonest to sa'yo, okay? O pwedeng may pamilya ka nito, o pwedeng iniwanan ka nito, okay, na siguro po pwedeng inubos niya yung finances mo, iniwanan ka niyang walang-wala, okay? Meron akong nakikitang ganun, this person is niloko ka, okay? Ginastos yung pera mo, it can be. Okay, ito yung person na nirelease mo, iniwanan mo. Okay, and meron ako nakikita dito na po pwedeng meron ka ng new person right now. This person wants to talk to you. Po pwedeng, kasi siguro alam niya na you are having a new connection right now with the Queen of Cups. Okay, siguro nakita nito na meron ka ng new person, new partner. Okay, this person is siguro meron pang nararamdaman sa'yo and this person wants to talk to you. Siguro kasi this person wants to follow her heart. Okay? You are a king of coins, a very stable kind of a person. Okay? A good provider, eh. And alam mo yon, a father figure. Okay? Maybe you're a very successful na ngayon, okay? With this new person. Meron ka ng new person. And siguro nalaman niya yon, kaya this person wants to talk to you. To reconcile. Okay. Ito yung person na gusto kang kausapin is yung nanakit sa'yo or nag-betray sa'yo noon. Nilagay ka sa third party. Niloko ka. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. I-release mo na to eh. Naghiwalay na kayo nito. O pwedeng nakilala mo sa job. Okay. Nakilala mo sa, o katrabaho mo. Basta nakilala mo siya somewhere about work or nagkaroon kayo nito ng collaboration. So, tingnan natin. Dirty offer. Uy, 'di ba? Ace of Cups. Screenshot, getting evidence, proof, facts. Oo, 'di ba? Sabi ko, once you back, wants to reconcile. Po pwede, you are very successful na right now. Pero may new person na kasi ako nakikita. Maybe nasa new connection ka na ngayon, pile number 2. Ay, clout hungry says anything, does anything, makes shit up dramatic. Uy. This person is not sincere. Okay, pile number 2. Itong past person na to, yung nanloko sa'yo ng betray, hindi to sincere. Drama starter. Di ba? Clout hungry. Says anything. Come on. Says anything, does anything, makes shit up dramatic. Okay. So, next card is drama starter. Manipulative. This person is manipulative, guys. Ano ka nito? Peperahan lang ulit nito. Kaya ka nito gustong makausap ulit, kontakin ulit. Kasi nakikita niyo na you are very successful right now. Scarcity tactics po pwedeng, kasi nga, po pwedeng, bottom of the deck, bad reputation. This person is not good. Okay? Itong past person na ito nanloko sa'yo. Cannot be trusted. This is a clout hungry. This is a manggagamit, a gold digger. Okay? Kasi nga, may scarcity tactics to. O pwedeng this person is wala na. And siguro you are a king of pentacles. Okay? Magaling sa pera, businessman, na pera. Okay? And this person is not. And ginamit ka lang nito financially. Huh? This person wants you back. Okay? Kasi po pwedeng nakikita niya na successful ka na right now if you are the masculine. Nakita niya may bagong person ka na. Okay? And this person wants you back. Gusto makipagbalikan sa'yo. Okay, this is a drama starter. Okay, a clout hungry person, a gold digger, a mice. Okay. Yung i-offer niya sa'yo is hindi totoo. This is a dirty offer. Papalabasin niya na po pwedeng magaling tong umakting, magaling magpaawa. Okay, papalabasin niya na na mahal ka pa niya, gusto ko niyang bumalik, gusto niyang magkabalikan kayo, gato ganyan. Alam niya kung paano ka i-manipulate. Pile number 2. So, beware. Okay? O pwedeng sirain kayo nito. Kung meron ka ng new partner, meron ka ng new connection, pwedeng siraan ka nito dun sa partner mo. Kaya wag mong re-reply yung message nito or yung kung ano man ang communication na ino-offer nito or anything kasi po pwedeng gamitin niya yun against sa'yo. Okay, pan number 2. So, tingnan natin, ano yung higher self advice sa'yo, pan number 2. 3 cards. Uy. Dedication. Stay dedicated to your goals, effort that will reap success. You're a very successful person. Fear. Expecting the worst, afraid of failure, wasting time on negative thoughts. Alang guys, excuse me. Sinisipon kasi ako. Okay. Last card. Okay. Acceptance. Accept past and current situation. Work through issues gracefully. Okay. So, sabi daw dito ng yung higher self, huwag kang matakot. Okay. Huwag kang negative. Okay. For some of you, meron ako nararamdaman na po pwede talagang minahal mo ng sobra to. This is a manipulator kind of a person. Magaling mag-manipulate tong person na to. Magaling magpaawa. A drama starter. Magaling magdrama yung person na yun. Alam niya kung paano kanya i-manipulate. Alam niya kung paano ikukot yung attention mo. Alam niya kung paano kukunin yung emotion mo. Okay, so ang sabi dito, focus lang, stay dedicated to your goal, okay? Kasi magiging successful ka daw doon. So, wag mong pagpukusan tong person na to. Okay? Kung makipag-communicate sa'yo to, bigla kang tawagan, wag mong kausapin. Kasi hindi naman totoo yung ino-offer niya sa'yo na reconciliation. Pupuwedeng sinaid ka nito financially tapos nakita niya na okey ka na naman ulit, o kaya gusto na naman niya ikaw hut-hutan or gamitin na naman ulit, okey? This is a manipulator kind of a person, magaling mag-manipulate ng emotion, okey? So, accept past, okey, in current situation. Work through issues gracefully. Kung halimbawang fearful ka, okey, negative ka na mamaya kung, meron siyang gawin na alam mo yun, kasi ano, pupuwedeng gamitin niya yun, kung halimbawang may nararamdaman ka ba dito sa person na 'to, gamitin niya yung communication niyo para, magkagalit kayo nung present person mo. Work your issues, past issues, okey? Huwag kang makipag-communicate, focus ka na lang dun sa, career mo or sa goal mo, okey? Kasi meron akong nakikita for some of you is meron ng new person, pile number 2, okey? So, kung nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin, pile number 2, at hindi ka pa naka-subscribe, please do subscribe, okey? Leave a comment kung nag-resonate sa inyo, and kung meron kayong mga other, requested topic pa, you are free to comment on this video kung ano pa po iyon, okay? So, again, guys, hindi lang talaga maganda yung pakiramdam ko. Okay, maraming salamat sa panonood, okay? Mag-a-upload tayo ulit, pupuwedeng mamaya uli or bukas, okay? Babawi ako sa inyo, guys, kasi talagang may mga nangyari lang, okay, na kailangan ng attention ko. So, maraming maraming salamat sa panonood, guys. Na-appreciate ko yung mga nagko-comment and nagla-like ng mga video ko. Okay. So, papaalam na ako sa inyo, guys. Magkita-kita tayo ulit bukas. Okay? So, maraming maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Bye!